last presentation, நீங்கெல்லா பாத்தீங்களா that you have seen very horrible images. I know most of you must be scared. எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் present பண்றாங்க? And is the breast cancer like this? Breast cancer கட்டி வரும்போது எப்படி தான் வரும்? Then we all are safe. Nothing can come to us. So we'll discuss this. Why it is important? Dr. Aruna has already discussed why is the screening important. Because there is no vaccine against breast cancer. Cervix cancer, there is a vaccine we can prevent, but till now there is no vaccine against breast cancer. So what we have to do, we can detect it early. And from there only this Save Breast campaign has come. So in this meeting, our professor from Bombay is also going to talk about this. But the inception of this Save Breast has come in our mind when we were studying in Mumbai. Around a 70 years or 80 years lady even will come or a breast katti varanga, cancer katti, we'll tell, okay, take out the breast. Why to counsel? She used to tell us, it's right of a lady to decide whether to remove the breast or to keep the breast. Adukku meaning enna? இப்போ எத்தனை பேர் இங்க இருக்காங்க, நீங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு வாட்டி கேன்சர் வரலந்தே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் என்ன மைண்ட்ல வரும்? பயம், ஃபியர். We all are afraid of the situations that if something comes to me, I should just eradicate it. நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம், இதா இருக்கவே கூடாது. ஒரு பாடியில suppose I am taking a simple example. Or somebody வீட்ல some பூச்சி வந்துச்சு, or some rat is there. What we do? We just kill the rat, we kill the alla பூச்சி. It's not like that. Breast cancer is not like, even if you take out full breast, your life will be extended or your quality of life will be extended. In the Marikadad, it's not like that. There is no difference. So that is the thing we want to convey the message. Even if one lady has got a breast cancer, there is no need to take out the breast. And this is a very common scenario. Whether lady is an educated lady or is from a village background, they never think about it. Reason? This is a small data before that reason. So what Dr. Aruna has presented was the what we have treated. So here I want to show you that first it is showing gradually from the 2018 to 2020 that when we see a patient as a doctor, we assess that a lady, whether how will she be benefited? Should we take out the breast or should we conserve it? Because we are very much convinced, okay, well, we can give a very good treatment without removing the breast. But the thing is, patient and family members, most of the time they don't understand. So you can see here, initially in 2018, around 50 patients we have seen who were eligible for breast conservation. Breast conservation meaning enna? Breast matto katti eduthittu we can take out lymph nodes. Full marb edukku theva irukad. We need now to take out full breast. Adukku per breast conservation surgery. So around 50 ladies were eligible for that, but out of them only 10% got ready for that. They were not ready for the conservation in spite of all counseling. One step. 2019 the scenario was keep on going. The 1% only increase. 1% more we can convince to do the conservation. 2020 the increase. So there is a gradual increase in the understanding. Still we have not reached to the 90% level even. I just want to share one story recently around 4 months back. Because of this only we are starting this campaign. Around 4 months back, there was a college going girl from nearby agriculture college. She came to us. She had a big lump. We did a biopsy and it was not looking like suspicious. It came out to be cancer. She was only 21 years of age. We counseled full family that we need not to take out the breast cancer. We can just conserve the breast. Even we can do a plastic surgery because it's important for a young girl, young lady, for importance of breast, a young lady can always understand. But you'll not believe the lady has gone somewhere else, and out of curiosity, after 1 month I just called because when the patient leaves us, we never make a call that you come to us, but out of courtesy we made a call because she was very young. எப்படி இருக்காங்க? இன்னைக்கு தான் ஆபரேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு full மார்பு எடுத்தாச்சு, நான் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி இருக்கேன், நிம்மதியா இருக்கேன். But it was a shock for us. You'll not believe 3 days நம்ம இதே டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம் that we have to just start this message. Whatever happens, anybody follows or not, this October is our aim to start this. So that's why this campaign we are going to launch. The story was that lady. So enna reason why people are not understanding. I am not telling that breast cancer ka prate nariya perukku theriyad. They don't know about the causes, they don't know about the screening. That is different thing. When somebody gets to counsel also, it's very difficult. So here first reason is fear, which I have already discussed. Fear is just take out, you'll be all right. That is wrong. So what we do in conservation? Mastectomy meaning full breast removal. Take out full breast. There is conservation. What do we do that? We take out the lump, we take out the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes means nerikatti irukum akkalle axillary area le, and then we give radiation therapy. So additional treatments is radiation therapy, but radiation therapy everybody can tolerate. It's only 1 month of little trouble. It doesn't cause any hair fall or any other problem. That is the thing. They think if radiation therapy kudutachi, meaning it is something which will get it back. So first step, fearness and lack of awareness. We have to generate that. Second is lack of freedom. Here I'm happy that mixed crowd is there. It's not that men, women, alla inge irukanga, but for sure when a patient comes with a family member, we will counsel them. Ma ungalku breast kaapaathikla. Illa madam, neenga full edunga. Who will tell this? Pakkathula okar husband, illa father, or somebody else will take decision. They don't allow even the lady to talk. And it's not again not from a education or it is independent of education, it is independent of what is economic status. So one lady is not allowed to take her decision of her life. Again, the fight is there. We always tell that. That's why they think us we are rude. They say that neenga decision edukadinga. You do not take the decision. You go home, come back to us tomorrow with a decision that this lady wants to save her breast or not. So that freedom, it's not the big freedom we are talking in the national level. This is also one kind of freedom which a lady should have. So the lack of freedom is there and we have to overcome that. Next is availability of resources. So as I mentioned, when we do conservation surgery, we have to give radiation therapy or Kadarvich. Why? Because when we are taking out the small lump there and we are leaving behind the rest of the breast, in other part cancer can grow. So cover up that thing, we have to give radiation therapy. Adakku we have to do conservation surgery followed by radiation therapy, and which is almost equal to the removal of breast. So resources meaning ella pakko radiation therapy ki facility kadiyadu, and that is a must. Suppose in a lady who is from far away village, Koli Hills lande, with the difficulty she has come for surgery and we ask her to come 1 month continuously for radiation, it may not be possible. So if the resources are available, then we can do conservation surgery. We were expecting for this talk, our district collector, I wanted to discuss. Another problem is last is a financial burden. Financial burden, why it adds to the financial burden? Because when we do a mastectomy, surgery finishes there. Patient may or may not require that radiation therapy. But if you are doing breast conservation, they have to take radiation therapy. Kandipa Kadarvich kudukka aagum. In our insurance scheme, in government scheme, still they do not cover for breast conservation surgery. So our next this thing is that we have to take this awareness to even to government, that it is not that removal of breast is the only thing and you are giving money, you are issuing money for removal of full breast, but they are not giving money to conserve the breast. This is again a fight, one step ahead we have to go. So these are the basically 4 reasons why people do not opt for the conservation. So this is a post mastectomy, again not to, this is a very common, around 60% ladies of India, rather I don't know about the big cities, but here at least we have this data from all local place. So this is a very common scenario. And the thing is, they think again, the thought process is that, but you can imagine as being a woman, you can imagine that inside some emotion always just tells that I am somewhere, this is a deficit, I have lost something. So many thought processes come. When we experience them, then only we can think, okay, how important is this? Instead of giving a flat chest, we can give this is a conservation surgery. Almost same kind of tumor, but you see what is the difference? The lady doesn't lose her womanhood. Again, suppose we cannot do conservation, so there are many options. This is a reconstructed breast. You can see we have taken the tissue from the abdomen and reconstructed the breast here. And then second, this was done from the behind, we have taken the tissue and reconstructed. So almost, it is very important for a dignity of a lady to feel the confidence. So if somebody is not eligible for the conservation, we always reconstruct that. Only we have to make everybody aware. And it is not at all possible by any medical fraternity to spread the awareness. It's you. Neenga mattoda, ungal mattoda panna mudiyum. Because we will talk as a doctor, avanga solranga adalla namaga eduthukala nalla irukum. Because this thought process we have to break. Although for technical information, enna chances irukku adalla namma vela. We are going to explain. But please give the option. Suppose a doctor is explaining, inge illa even Chennai le Coimbatore le wherever, if they are explaining, no ange appadi solvanga neenga eduthukla. No, please listen to your doctor and spread the message that this is possible, and with your support only we can just spread this Save Breast campaign message to everybody. And anybody, anytime, if you have any doubt with any patient, we are ready here to clear that doubt. Thanks a lot for patients listening.